Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the community of TVisions around the world. Wherever you are watching me, whatever your time zone, I greet you. You are welcome on to this beautiful day. I am Olorunlu, and also known as Sapphire Jua, one of the many voices of TBC. On my broadcast of Freedom for Humanity, this morning I will be taking a clip of my broadcast from the Admin's blog dated on the 23rd of June 2021. Now, they had me in that blog, which was titled, "The Comeback is Always Stronger Than the Setback." Towards the last paragraph of the blog post, Hadmi wrote an interesting conversation that transpired between him and the Creator, God. Guys, guess what? Like what we've been saying over time, TBC, TBC, TBC is God's given vision, is God's given idea to save humanity from the hands and the shackles of the wicked ones. The message of TBC is saving soul. Saving soul. No wonder many of us are passionate about TBC. So, TBC has come to save souls, has come to save humanity from the hand and the shackles of those that held it bound. God created abundance and made it available for all mankind. But guess what? Some wicked men commandeer every resources that is meant for the enjoyment and benefit of all and sat on it. Create a scarcity system. And guess what? It is very funny that all our economics, in quote, all those who study economics, all their economics are studied based on scarcity. But guess what? God did not create scarcity. All what God created was created in abundance. So our own economics is on abundance because that is what God created for mankind. So I challenge all TBians who are watching me live. What is your passion towards saving souls? God has given us this great vision for us to go out and save souls. For us to go out and help humanity to lift them out of poverty, out of lack, out of penury, through sharing and propagating of the abundance that is embedded in God. So let us run with this mission. Let us run with this vision to bring humanity back to abundance that God has prepared for mankind. So anyone you meet, anyone you come across, share the gift of abundance. That is what we have. We have it in abundance, and let us change this world for a better place. Let every humanity has enough to live on, has enough to spend. So guys, I urge you, as we go on prospecting, as we go on our daily activities today, I challenge you, preach the gospel of saving soul. TBC has come to save souls from the hands and the shackles of the wicked ones. They held this world bound by their own power, or their own resources, and they are controlling it, subjecting humanity to penury. So let's go all out to share the gift of abundance. Thank you guys. I love you all. Well, encourage us and encourage me by liking this video. Subscribe to it so that you will get subsequent videos as soon as it is being posted, and for many more updates. And if you are here to register, for the community of abundance, there's a link below this video. Click on that link, register for free. Join any of our groups with the link below, and on daily basis you'll be getting updates and training. God bless us all. I love you all. Thank you. Cheers.